Now that all the modules are enabled, we can now look at the commerce reports. So to do that, you would think to go under store settings and click on reports, but that link doesn't exist yet. And the reason that is it's just disabled by default. To enable that, we can again go under site settings, click on structure. From there, we'll want to click on our menus link. And then from there, we're looking for a menu called management. And management is simply your admin menu above. So we click on list links. And here you're going to see all of the links break down just like they do above. And one we're going to be looking for here is one called reports. Scroll down there, you'll see one that's called reports. But the problem is its parent is disabled. So what we can do is we could either enable that, but what we're going to do is we're going to simply take the reports and drag that out and put it underneath the store settings section. Sometimes you get where it gets a little tricky, so we're going to hop right back in here. We are doing this live. So again, we're going to grab that reports and we're just going to drag it in underneath, so it's sitting underneath advanced store settings reports. We're going to save that. And now once it's saved, if we go under store settings, underneath advanced, there's reports right there. Let's click on that. And now we'll have access to all of our reports.
And the reporting that comes with the Commerce Reports module is pretty flexible. It does provide some pretty sensible defaults for how everything's set up. So it shows you the number of sales today, your gross, the average sale. It shows you yesterday. It also shows you the sales for the last 30 days. Here you can see there are items for a graph, and it's broken down by year, month, and week. So you can change it to, if you want to look at weeks, you can see that last week the average order was 16, and the average order now is 21. It also tells you the total revenue. There are specific product reports, so you can see which products are selling the most, customer statistics, customers. This really provides you a good dashboard or a good overview of your sales for your e-commerce store. You can click on the Products tab, and this will break down by product and show you how many are sold and what the revenue was. You can select date ranges if you only want to look for specific days, and you can search for specific products by the SKU. The Customers tab allows you to see the total revenue from a customer. So as you can see, Adam had 2 orders for $48, where as the admin, Shane Thomas, the order is only 1 with $16 in sales. And as you get more data on your store, these reports become a lot more useful. When you only have a few orders, it's not as useful, but you can still see how you can use this going forward. And this page is a little funky with some of the filters, but it allows you to sort by specific statuses, order dates, and you can have specifications for how you want to sort it. Also, there's the ability to break down by monthly, yearly, weekly, or even daily. And the last report is by payment methods, so you can see which payment methods have the most transactions. And for some reason the PayPal one's not showing up, but that's a report that unless you have multiple payment methods showing up, in our case we're only going to have PayPal. That's not really a useful report, but if you did want to have PayPal and you wanted to have a Stripe or some other credit card type module, you would maybe have some use for seeing which one is used most often. So that's the basics of what the Reports module offers out of the box. And there's a lot more you can do with it once you start to get data, but it should provide that good information about your sales and your orders so you can make decisions on how to best run your e-commerce store.